Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back, baby. Thanks for fooling with me. So today, I'm diving into something that's crucial for all of us to know we have the power to do. It's called a credit freeze or a security freeze. So stick around because I'll break it down on exactly what it is and tell you exactly how to place one on your consumer report to protect your financial future. Now, to me, this type of knowledge is gold. I'm just here to share it with y'all. So, let's start from the top. What's a credit freeze or a security freeze? Think of it as like your financial fortress. It's like a way of locking up your credit report to stop anyone from messing with it. No one can open any new accounts or loans in your name without you say so. Now, why is this so important to know? I don't know if y'all watch the news, but data breaches and identity theft is not a game. A credit freeze is your shield against these threats. It's your way of keeping your financial legacy off limits. Now, let's talk about actually how to do it. And it's a lot easier than you might think. So here's how to do it. So first, you reach out to the 3 major consumer reporting agencies. Remember, these agencies hold your consumer reports or your credit reports. You'll need to contact Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. You can do it online or call, or you can write a letter. But I've made a video about all the secondary consumer reporting agencies on my YouTube as well. These can be frozen too. But for the purpose of this video, we'll keep it about the major 3, Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. So if you're doing it online, create a free Transunion account on transunion.com, a free Equifax account on equifax.com, and a free Experian account on experian.com. Now, once you log in, search for security freeze and bam, click freeze. If you're having a hard time finding it on these pages, just simply Google freeze Experian or whichever one you're trying to look for. It'll take you to the page where you just created your account. You log in again, and it'll take you straight to the security freeze section. And just click freeze account. If you're calling to the consumer reporting agencies, just politely ask them, be like, hey, I'm trying to place a freeze on my reports. They'll walk you through it, which usually includes confirming your identity. And then that's it. Now your credit reports are frozen until you decide to unfreeze them. Now, to unfreeze them, just do the same process. Instead of freezing them, you just choose unfreeze. It's really quick, like about 3 minutes to do so or less. You can freeze and unfreeze at your will whenever you want to. Before you need to have your consumer reports pulled for when you're applying for credit or anything, you must unfreeze it first. Then once approved, just freeze it back again. Now, with that being said, even though your credit file is frozen, still watch over your credit. Still check your reports, make it a habit to do so, and if needed, just temporarily lift the freeze and then place it back. Now, keep it real with me. How many of y'all ever thought about freezing y'all credit before? Tap in below and share y'all thoughts and experiences in the comments. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends who needs this vital information. That's a wrap for today's episode. Remember, a credit freeze is your financial armor, and knowing how to use it is a superpower. Subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom tailored for us, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for rocking with me, and let's keep our financial futures locked and loaded, baby. Safe travels. Peace!